In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect file system to Claude AI. Now first, you want to get Claude for desktop. This only works on desktop. You can't actually do this on the web version. So if you don't know how to do that, I have a separate video on how to install Claude desktop. It's actually very simple, takes just a few seconds. And then when you're in here, you want to go to customize over here, top left, and you want to click on connect your apps. Then from within here, you want to look for file system, just like this. So type in file, there we go. As you can see, file system is over here. You can click on it and click on the install button in the top right. Then it's going to ask you if you're sure. Simply click on the install button, and then over here you can read all about it. It's going to say that you can let Claude access your file system to read and write files. Now over here, as you can see, you have to configure your file system, and over here you have to basically put in the allowed directories. Now for me over here, I can just add it. I can click on that, and you have to either put in your path or just select this button over here, which will allow you to select whatever you want. I'm gonna put in downloads. I'm gonna click select folder. There we go. That's the first one. You can add as many as you want and then click on save over here. And just like this, you can then enable it and you're good to go. Now, of course, you can configure it as well. So if you click on configure, you'll be able to see over here you can add directories, and this is inside settings as well. So you can just always go inside here, click on settings, go to extensions, and down here you can see file system. You can configure it, and then you can go ahead and add directories, permissions, etc. And I do believe if you go to customize and connectors over here, yeah, there we go, you can find it over here as well. So that's how to connect it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.